Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a recovery plan before you touch security settings. I will not walk you through disabling Defender in the registry because that can leave your system exposed. Instead, make a full registry backup or create a restore point now so you can recover if needed. Once done, evaluate safer alternatives. Add exclusions for specific apps, toggle real-time protection briefly from settings, or install a reputable third-party antivirus that automatically manages Defender. You can achieve your goals without registry edits by using built-in or supported methods. For example, add exclusions for development toolchains or trusted executables so Defender won't interfere, and that preserves system protections. If you need Defender off long-term, install a reputable third-party antivirus. Windows will hand off protection automatically and keep the system secure. Make sure to verify signatures and vendor reputation, and restart only when you have a verified alternative active to avoid gaps in protection. If you encounter problems, restore from the registry backup or a system restore point first. That returns Defender settings and critical system values. If the system runs unstable, boot into safe mode to undo changes or run repair tools. Once you've restored settings, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted components and apply all Windows updates. If recovery fails, contact Microsoft support or a trusted IT professional so you don't permanently compromise system security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.